Now let's do another code demo where we have to write a program and it is told that this does not take any input, but it should print two lines of output. And two lines are I pledge to work hard to become a great coder. So let's head on to IDE1 and see how do we achieve this output? How do we get there? Now this is our minimalistic C program that we talked about earlier. So if I have to print any line of output, I have again given a tab for indentation. Printf I pledge to work hard, and then I'll give in a new line, next line, to become a great coder, and I'll put a semicolon here. So these two lines I have given. Now remember, whenever we are using printf function, we will follow this practice of saying hash include stdio.h. std means this is standard library, io means input output dot h. So this is a header file that we need to include. It's a good practice to include this, although in some compilers it works without writing this statement also, but we should follow this practice. If we are using printf, this header must be included. Now, after writing this, if I run this code, let's see what happens. I expect two lines of output, and here what I get will be one line of output. The reason we get one line of output is, let's understand what this printf is. Printf is a function whose goal is to print the output on the screen. So in printf, we start with round bracket. Whatever we give in double quotes, same thing gets printed on the output. So if you see, first printf is printing this on the output, second printf has this, and this is also being printed on the output. So to this printf, we should say, when you are done with this line, you should give a new line in the end. So this slash n that we are writing here, this means that we are telling printf to print this and give an enter so that the next thing comes in a new line. So let's submit again after putting the slash n. And this time when we run the code, we see that our output is matching the desired output. So we learned three things here. Let's quickly see. First of all, printf is a function to print the output. Second thing is, whenever we use printf, we will do hash include stdio.h. Third thing is, when we are giving any string message in printf, whatever we put in double quotes, that is a string. Whenever we give any string message, if we want new line to be given anywhere, we have to use slash n. So slash n is called an escape sequence. Escape sequence is a special instruction inside a string for printf to do something. Now, with slash n, I could have combined this message into one line also. So if you see what changes I did, I have used only one printf. I have given entire thing as one string, and as part of the string, I have given slash n in between. So this slash n will tell printf that print this, then give a new line, and then print this. So with one printf, we can achieve the same thing that we earlier did with two printfs. So we have changed the code, let's run it, and now we see we are again getting the same output.